Worthless.
History. He's had 14 game-winning drives and 27 chances. Third-year pro. Wilson fires. Pass. Caught. Luke Wilson. And Wilson's got a first down.
Worthless.
History. He's had 14 game-winning drives and 27 chances. Third-year pro. Wilson fires. Pass. Caught. Luke Wilson. And Wilson's got a first down.
Dumbasses!
I honestly don't know if I want to say
This game ain't over yet.
this. It's not over. Dude, if they, all they gotta do is get it down to
They have to start thinking about it. Here's Lynch.
Go Lynch! Yeah!
Oh, there's a minute 25 though. How many timeouts they got? This is nuts.
I'd actually prefer that.
Yeah, that's what that helps.
They need a
You got a minute 20, you got Roger 3 timeouts.
Yeah, oh my God.
Go
They're
for
gonna
two.
They're going
Go
for
for
two.
two.
Though.
Go for two.
They have to go. They are going to go.
Look at that jackass with the shirt on.
Shit.
Wow.
Wow, this is nuts.
McCarthy for worst coach of the year for this game.
No, worst
They
coach-
played way too conservative this
worst
fucking
coach of the
second
year will
half.
always be Marty Morningway for taking the win.
I'm going with the Bears!
We won the toss.
Take the ball first. That was before the overtime rules. It was
Bears right down the fucking field. Field goal.
Job of finishing up.
Like, all right, we'll go down the field and you niggers.
And now trying to finish this off with a 2-point
Now you can't post up
shame.
There's John Schneider, the general manager of the Seahawks.
Exactly what I wanted.
First lead of the game with a minute 25 left. Wilson out to his right.
Get up!
Up for grabs.
What the fuck are you fucking doing, you fucking... That should have been a fucking sack, you piece of shit!
I cannot believe this shit. What in the Oh my God.
Worst pass I've ever seen, and they got it. Fuck you! How do you let that
Oh
happen?
my fuck.
Just toss it
Look
up.
at this shit.
On this ball. He's right there in
What are you
position.
doing?
What is Ha Clinton Hicks doing? What the?
Dive, you idiot.
What the fuck?
How do you not jump in front of the ball?
What the fuck?
Ow!
Luke Wilson comes down.
It's gotta be the fucking shittiest 2-point conversion I've
This
ever
is
fucking
like
seen.
some fucking Madden shit we're
fucking-
watching right now.
Here once again today. And John
What the
Schneider,
fuck?
the architect to put together
Fucking Mike McCarthy. Oh.
amazing what we
You guys just having a Lions just right now?
I'm at home. I'm sorry. Listen, hey, listen. This is worse than what happened in Detroit.
Oh, for sure, for sure. If this happened in Detroit, I'd be like, I'd put my truck and park on the railroad tracks. Just hang out for a while. I swear to God.
to recover for Seattle. Chris Matthews in this.
You're a fucking jackass. Fuck you.
Fucking faggot.
This venue